Namaskar. Periods can be really difficult and painful for many women. They can experience cramps, mood swings, fatigue, and intense craving. While the market is loaded with supplements and medicines for period pain, nature's remedies always work better without any side effect. Fruits in particular can help you during your periods. Let's look at most period friendly fruits and their benefits. First, we have banana, the cramp buster. Rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Bananas are nature's muscle relaxants. These nutrients work together to soothe menstrual cramps. It helps reduce bloating and stabilize mood swings. The natural sugar in banana also provides quick energy boost, combating fatigue that often accompanies during period. Next is papaya, which is excellent to balance the hormones. Papaya is a powerhouse of vitamin C and enzymes like papain, which helps regulate your flow and reduce cramps by promoting healthy digestion. It's also rich in beta carotene, which is essential for hormone regulation. Regular consumption of papaya can help maintain a balanced menstrual cycle and elevate the symptoms of PMS. Third, we have pineapple, the mood elevator. Pineapple is packed with bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory and muscle relaxing properties, which can significantly ease period pains. Its high manganese content also helps to regulate mood swings, and the natural sugar in pineapple keeps you energized. How these fruits can help you during the periods? First, the anti-inflammatory property in these fruits helps reduce cramps and pains naturally, making them excellent alternative to painkiller. Next, with their natural sugar, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, these fruits help improve your mood and give you constant energy. And finally, their fiber content helps digestion, reduces bloating, and keeps you feeling light and makes you comfortable during your cycle. Let me give you two delicious recipes for these fruits. First, you can treat yourself with papaya banana smoothie bowl. You need 1 cup ripe papaya diced, 1 ripe banana, half cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, topping slivered almonds, pumpkin seeds, shredded coconut, and berries. Blend the papaya, banana, coconut milk, chia seeds, and cinnamon powder until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with the sliced almond, pumpkin seeds, shredded coconuts, and berries for added crunch and nutrition. Enjoy this smoothie bowl packed with fibers, vitamins, and minerals that support your body during menstruation. Our next period friendly treat is pineapple papaya parfait. You need 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1 cup ripe papaya diced, 1 cup coconut yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, half a cup granola, a few fresh mint leaves for garnish. Take a glass, layer coconut yogurt, pineapple chunks, and papaya. Drizzle it with honey for the touch of natural sweetener. Add a layer of granola for crunch. Repeat the layers if your glass allows. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. Enjoy nutritious parfait that's perfect for breakfast or midday snack. While period can be tough, making small changes to your diet, like including these fruits, can have a big impact on how you feel. Bananas, papayas, and pineapple are not just delicious, packed with benefits that can make your period smoother and more manageable. So, indulge in these fruits and try these simple, nutritious recipes. With all this, you will feel your best. Namaskar.